Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I want to talk a little bit today about counter trend trading. Now, the whole point in this is not that you necessarily should counter trend trade, but the point is that you need to figure out what's going to work best for you, see what you can do the best most consistently, and then stick to that. My buddy Hubert was laughing at me today when he called and he was like, "How'd you do this morning?" I said, "Guess where I made all my money?" And because he knows me, he was like, "Let me guess, the short side." And I said, "Yes, even on a crazy up day like this." So let's walk through what happened from the open. This is the NASDAQ futures. We're looking at a 2 minute time frame over here. The opening candle was down. This was 7:30 my time, Mountain Time Zone. It took a few minutes to get that open range breakout right here. And we did just, ever so slightly go above it, but then pull back right away and then worked our way a little bit higher. Now, for whatever reason, none of that was looking great to me, but the trade that I did take was this short. Then I got out of there because I was like, okay, Jerome Powell's about to start speaking, and I just don't want to be in anything. I'm just going to go flat for right now and see what happens. Then this crazy launch pad happens, and I was not in it. I was not trading that. I was just watching. Why? Because to me, that's like fireworks. The closer you get to them, the more you can get burned. So, yes, like that's an amazing move. And would I love to have been in it? Totally. But I've gotten burned enough times that I don't play that stuff anymore. So I see this and then I watch. I'm like, okay, it actually appears that we're going to continue higher. Cool. But we were doing it in such a choppy way. I mean, these next couple of candles are super, super wicky. And then, like, yeah, we did push higher and then we'd have a pullback and then push higher and then pull back. So what did I do? I'm like waiting, waiting, waiting. I see some nice momentum up here and I'm like, let's go. Let me take the short. And I was able to hit my profit targets with just this short and this short, and I avoided all the rest of that mess. That is not to say that everybody should do it like I do it. What it is to say is you need to get so consistent and so clear and so specific about your systems, your setups, and then really just look out for those. Like I know a specific momentum move that I'm going to have a pretty decent percentage of hitting. That happened here. That happened here. That was it. I turned it off for the day. So, overall, don't be afraid to try out different setups, different systems. You can glean tons of information from anyone that you're following on YouTube or any courses that you've taken online. All that's great. And I've certainly done that. I've spent tons of money on trading courses. I've invested lots and lots of time into learning different people's systems and setups. But ultimately, the one that I'm going to do best at is my own setup. And the more I can stick specifically to that, that is going to serve me well. I hope you have an amazing weekend. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.